My name is Vijin Rajhar. I have sufficient skill in warehouse operations and procurement management. I am performing this video to avail the WSC Council Career Development Certificate. Warehouse operations and procurement management. Types of warehouses. Private warehouses, owned and operated exclusively for one organization. Public warehouse. This is part of a complex of several warehouses belonging to different companies working out of a common compound. Government warehouses are owned and operated by government organizations either for their own use or for others on rental basis. Cooperative warehouses are owned and operated by private individuals joining hands to form a registered cooperative federations. Warehouses can be different in their functional methodology. Stock transfer warehouses do not have any customer attached and have no commercial transactions and simply operate as large store houses for finished products to be transferred to other units and warehouses are as demanded. Export warehouses keep materials only for export and cannot do domestic goods transfer. These are established with special permissions exclusively for exports in specified zones and are entitled for export incentive benefits. Bonded warehouses will be those that store only duty payable goods and goods once duty paid will be kept separately identified and moved out within stipulated number of hours. These warehouses need customs collectors permissions to operate and will be subject to customs checks routinely. Special warehouses operated for specified listed high value goods as stipulated from the time to time by government and only by licenses. Image of a bonded warehouse. Container freight stations provide space and handle intermodal containers. They cater to importers to handle materials that arrive in containers and to quarantine the incoming goods for an allowed period till customs clearance is obtained and duty paid. Inland container depot is a bonded warehouse for imported goods away from source and container handler. It has procedures to stuff and de-stuff goods as required for partial demounting. Cold storage warehouses are large exclusive freezer areas and a part of much needed cool chains for handling perishable goods like fruits, vegetables, fish, etc. The goods are expected to be kept in the range of 2 to 8 degrees centigrade all the time, keeping the product in healthy condition are low. Canal warehouses are exclusively to areas where they are in waterfronts and utilize water transportation for movements around and inside large warehouse areas. The warehouses are built with waterfronts extending into warehouse with build-up routes to load and unload goods. Open yard warehouses are for large items that can be kept in the open. Manufactured cars, trucks and bus chases which later undergo changes but occupy huge space are stored in open yard with yard management system. Retail warehouses are swarming the world right now, resulting in the enormous trade benefits. They need ample space and most of the warehouse activity in them. in some form or other deal with enormous volumes every day. Containerization. Containerization is a system of freight transport based on a range of steel intermodal containers. Containers are built with standardized dimensions. The containers can be loaded and unloaded, stacked, transported efficiently over long distance and transferred from one mode of transport to another. Container ships, train and semi-trailer trucks without being opened. Advantages of containers: faster loading and unloading, easier handling, faster turnaround time for ships, ease of cargo transfer across multiple modes, economies of scale arising out of use of container, greater security of cargo from damages or theft, possibility of mechanized handling leading to reduction in labor cost, reduced cost of packaging.